Andito na ako sa baba, guys. Inaantay ko lang yung kaibigan ko na dumating. Pero bibili muna tayo ng karak para okay ang lahat. Kasi baka matagal-tagal pa yung hayop na yun. At least, 'di ba? May mano tayo. So dito muna ako, guys, habang nag-aantay. Asa na yun yung kaibigan ko? Para kung ano dito sa tabi, oh.
Now I bake 3 dasha.
You have this dasha also 3?
Yeah, I made 3 mosar.
Okay, good luck to your presentation.
Yeah.
I hope they will, you know, they will be happy by your presentation. Well, too much. That's why, yeah.
This price, I
Sure,
give you
yeah.
200, but I'm sure I will not get this price.
Where is it exactly in the Barca Salon? Near
See,
in the
nobody
Bahar?
calls me, so nobody respect this price.
Is it nearby in the Bahar or far away?
Not Bahar. It's in the.
This. Yeah, but where is the close here? Here?
What you want?
No, I only take the chicken. How to close this one? Here already. Yeah.
I should bring topics of food.
Food only?
Biryani, chicken, biryani, kapuli.
Oh my God, Sally, why you do like that to me?
See this guys?
They close already. It's not going. You know this one before, it's Turkish.
Yes.
This one also, it's not going, I think.
This hypermarket?
Yeah.
Why?
But yeah, I think it's going because there's a lot of people still.
Why you say it's not going?
Because you know that building, a lot of trying to rent that building, but like 6 months it's gone.
But I don't know why he opened it that.
I don't know because there is no 24 hours
Actually,
here.
groceries they are. He's 24 hours.
Yes, that is 24 hours. Before there is the Dan, no, but they close. It's not going as well.
Actually, this is cost, but not because not everybody wants to go for malls, you know.
Yeah.
Because if you go to the malls, takes time. This is easier quickly to buy.
That's true.
People think that I'm eating eggs only morning, that I'm poor. It's not because I'm poor I'm eating eggs, because eggs are healthy for
Yes,
eggs.
that's true.
Yeah.
So yun guys, uwi na kami. Ayan, dyan kami kumain. Ayan, dami mga street food dito. Ayun. Let's do it. Hey guys, nandito na pala ako sa bahay. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yan, galingin sa kaibigan ko. Tapos may dala akong mishkak. Saka chicken. Para kay Leo. Kaibigan ko. Nag-donate ng chicken. You know, your ninong loves you. Leo. Your ninong loves you, okay? I will give you that one tomorrow. The whole chicken. You'll be having chicken feast tomorrow. Alright? You're such a good boy. So yun lang naman ang ganap natin for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Please click the bell button below so you will be notified in my next vlog. Good night! Hi guys, good morning. Sa update. Di ba kagabi binigay ko na si Leo? Umiyak ako ng buong gabi. Tapos ngayon ulit. Try ko pinipigilan guys na hindi umiyak. Pero wala eh. Wala tayong magagawa.
Late ko na pala nalaman guys na meron pala dun sa building ko. I don't know kung I meant sama-sama akong nanay, alam mo yun. Late ko lang nalaman na pwede pala sana yung pusa ko doon sa caretaker ng building. Hindi ko siya naisip kahapon, as in hindi ako natulog. Pwede ko naman pala sana siyang ibigay doon, palagaan, tapos bayaran ko lang. Ngayon ko lang siya naisip na wala na siya. Di ba? So, pinipigilan kong umiyak. Ayaw ko na umiyak. Magmubuko na ako. Pero, hindi eh. Masakit pa rin sa akin. Hindi pa rin ako totally nakaka-move on. Kasi syempre last night lang binigay guys eh. Alam mo yung lesson learned ko dito. Ganun pa rin, wag kayong mag-aalaga ng kahit anong pet kung alam niyo na hindi mo siya mapanindigan, or kung alam mo na wala ka sa bansa mo. Kasi ang hirap eh. Nandito ako guys, wala namang problema yun kasi dadalhin ko talaga siya eh. Pero dumating ako sa lugar na naipit ako ng bongga-bongga, tsaka wala na talaga akong choice kasi ilan sa mga kaibigan ko guys, tinawagan ko. Kahit umuo sila sa akin ng sige, kukunin ko si Leo pansamantala. Alam mo, hindi abutin ng 1 linggo sa kanila si Leo, kukunin ko siya ulit. Ngayong off ko, ngayong Sunday, maghanap ako ng bahay. Lipat ako ulit. Pero wala talaga guys. Nasa work ako 9 hours. Tapos busy ako kasi meron kaming event sa work. So, hindi ako makahanap ng bahay. Wala rin tumulong sa akin. Kahit yung pinakamalapit mong kaibigan, parang wala. Wala silang pakialam. So, yun. Huwag kayong umasa sa kaibigan nyo kasi kahit pusa yun hindi sila tutulong sa'yo. Wala. Nandiyan lang sila sa'yo kung kailangan kanila. Kung may pera ka, kung ililibre mo sila or whatever, yun lang. Pero hello? Hi.
Sorry.
Pasensya na guys, may tumawag lang sa akin. Ayun. From this moment forward guys, ayoko nang mag-isip ng negative. Ipag-pray ko na lang si Leo na sana mahalin siya nung nag-alaga sa kanya. ba't kamahal-mahal naman talaga si Leo, because he is really cute, and you know, ramdam mo talaga na may pusa ka at mahalin ka din ng pusa, alam mo yun. So I wish the best for him. Kung hindi man niya kaya alagaan si Leo, tapos baka next week sabihin niya sa akin na isaulit niya sa akin si Leo, I'm fine with it. Baka next week agad-agad pwede na akong kumuha ng room, 'di ba? Yun lang pag-pray ko, kung para sa akin talaga si Leo, para sa akin, ibabalik siya sa akin. Kasi alam nung binigyan ko na umiyak ako, alam nila na masama yung loob ko, but I really don't have choice. At sinabi ko sa kanila, kung ayaw mo kay Leo, kontakin mo ako at ibalik mo siya sa akin. Kasi this time, pag binalik siya sa akin, ilagay ko muna siya dito sa work ko, sa CR pala ng work ko, or doon sa may-ari ng building pala, caretaker, pwede pala siya doon. So yun, magawan ko siya ng paraan at least, diba? So Leo, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka ng nanay mo. Salamat sa ilang taon, ilang buwan, ilang araw na napasaya mo ko. Yung uuwi ako kasi andyan ka, nagantay sa akin. Yung minsan kumakain kami ng kaibigan ko sa labas, I really wanted to go home as early as much kasi I know you were waiting for me. Alam ko na si Leo is naghintay sa akin, nag-abang yan siya ng pinto, kakantay niya sa akin. So hopefully maging okay ka lang at ibalik ka sa akin kung sino ka man na nagano, para dalhin na kita sa Pilipinas. Alam ko maging mahirap yung buhay natin sa Pilipinas, but for sure mapupuno ka ng pagmamahal. Alam mo, you will be free. Imagine ko na sa isip ko na pupunta ka sa garden, lumabas ka ng bahay, nakakalanghap ka na simoy ng hangin. Alam mo yon, ligid-ligid ka sa mga damuhan. This life I wanted for you supposedly, pero wala tayong magagawa. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Pasensya na kayo for this very emotional episode ng buhay ko na hindi ko kayang palagpasin, because I want to document this is how I feel, and this is what a cat lover feels or a pet lover feels na mawalan. So for you guys, never try to get a pet which you don't capable to keep of. Okay? So yun lang masasabi ko, you have to be responsible of getting an animals, because as I said, they also have life, okay, to taking care of. It's not just like you want now because you want their presence. It's not like that. You may have to make sure na all the time, kahit anong mangyari, hindi mo siya iiwan or hindi mo siya ma-abandon, right? So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon to my next vlog. Bye! Hola guys! So yun, kakain muna tayo guys. Lalabas tayo with my friend para mawala naman yung sakit ng dibdib natin for today's video. Sana pa ako. Alright, nandito na ako sa ground floor. Sige guys, samahan niyo ako. So yun guys, meron tayong salad. Kakain kami dito guys. Ayan. Salad tayo.